Hello! My name is MJ and welcome to English Bites. Today's vocabulary is related to cooking. Let's look at 3 words: peel, chop, and dice. What do I have to do with these potatoes? Okay, first you have to peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Woo! Done peeling. What's next? Chop it up. Chop it up? Yes, chop the potatoes. Chop, chop. Chop the potatoes. All right, potatoes are chopped. On second thought, they might be too big. Can you dice them instead? Dice the potatoes? Yes, please dice them up. Dice the potatoes. Let's review the words again. Peel, chop, dice.